I want to go over this as quick as I can without wasting as much time as possible. But for whatever reason you want to snare coyotes for, whether it's a livestock issue or knock down the population for hunting season, there's cam locks, sure locks, micro locks, S locks, all kinds of different types of snares for different animals, hogs, bobcat. What you don't want them to do is have a kink in it like so. They won't work. What you do want is a really nice round loop, and when you check these, you should be able to stick a finger in it and pull, and they collapse. Sorry about the camera, but the other end of the snare is on a swivel and an eyelet. You will have to get your own anchors. They do not come with them. What I use is an 1/8 inch or a 1/4 inch quick link steel ferrules. I don't recommend aluminum because if you over crimp them, they'll split and crack. For whatever tree, I use 3/32 Air Force cable. I don't use any special hangers. I just grab whatever I can find, and right on the game trail. I want my snare high enough to where a coyote head will go through. Alright, that being said, I hang mine between 9 and 10 inches off the ground. And a little trick you can do is this little twig. I'll put it almost underneath, or a blade of grass right underneath just something, because they will raise their head to dodge it, and you can kind of funnel them right through it where you want them to go. And if anybody has any questions on where to find signs, how to look for signs, where to get supplies at snaring, just leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And thanks for watching.